So it says find the length of a string. So it says you can find the length of a string value by writing dot length after the string variable to the string literal. So that's basically a method from my previous knowledge. alenpr dot length, and it should give you 10 as the outcome. It says, for example, if we created a variable var first name equals Charles, we could find out how long the string Charles is by using the first name dot length property. Use the dot length property to count the number of characters in the last name variable to assign and assigned it to last name length. So it wants you to find out how much characters are in last name. So change code below this line. So last name length equals last name dot length. Yeah, you have to use that property, it's called it. And assign it to thing, so it is assigned. Let's check it. Okay, moving on.